Tower JetBlue 161, we've got a report. Leo on board has a customer subdued with cuffs on him on the floor. We're going to taxi back to gate 34.
JetBlue 161, so just verifying that the passenger is subdued.
Affirmative.
And you do not have a slide deployed at any point?
Not that I know of. I'm going to take a look out the window. Maybe another airplane can tell me if it's deployed.
Yeah, 1448. The slide is deployed just behind your number 1 engine.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Yeah, United 1606 confirms the slide deployed.
Thank you. Sorry, I did not hear a single word of that. No, the pilot has reported that a law enforcement officer was able to subdue them on the aircraft. 425, JetBlue 161 is the aircraft in emergency. He's on frequency if you want to talk to him. The 161 tower.
Yeah, tower, go ahead, JetBlue 161.
Just confirming that no one has left the aircraft.
That's affirmed. No one has left the aircraft. They've got him subdued in the back. Just the slide has deployed.